You rebuild a life the same way you build a house, one brick at a time. A bad year can make you feel like everything is broken. Maybe you lost money, maybe you lost a relationship, maybe you made mistakes that still keep you awake at night. Maybe you faced health problems, career setbacks, or disappointments you never saw coming. And when too many things go wrong at once, you start asking yourself, how do I even begin again? Here is the good news. You don't need to fix everything overnight. You don't need one magical breakthrough. You simply need to rebuild one brick at a time. And I believe there are four bricks that matter the most. First, fix your health. After a difficult year, most people immediately focus on money or success. But your health comes first. Because when your body is exhausted and your mind is stressed, everything feels 10 times harder. You don't need a perfect fitness routine. Start small. Sleep a little earlier. Walk for 30 minutes. Drink more water. Eat better. Spend some time away from your phone. When your body starts feeling stronger, your mind starts believing that recovery is possible. You cannot build a new life on a tired foundation. Health is the first brick. Second, rebuild your finances. Bad years often leave financial scars. Maybe you lost your job, maybe your business struggled, maybe you made poor investment decisions. The mistake many people make is trying to recover quickly. They take bigger bets, they chase shortcuts, they want to make back everything immediately. But rebuilding wealth is similar to rebuilding trust. It takes time. Start by understanding where you stand. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Pay down high interest debt. Save a little. Invest carefully. The goal is not to become rich in 1 year. The goal is to become financially stable again. Peace of mind comes before prosperity. That's the second brick. Third, repair your relationship. A difficult year often changes relationships. Some people disappear, some disappoint you, and sometimes you realize that you neglected the people who truly care about you. When life falls apart, relationship becomes your emotional safety net. Call your parents, meet an old friend, spend more time with your family, say sorry if you need to, say thank you more often. And if someone hurts you deeply, don't rush to fix everything. Some relationships need boundaries, some need distance, and some need forgiveness. Not because the other person deserves it, but because you deserve peace. Strong relationships don't remove life's problem, they simply make the difficult seasons easier to survive. That's the third brick. Fourth, find your purpose again. After a bad year, people often lose direction. You wake up and wonder, what's the point? Purpose doesn't always mean finding your dream job or your life's mission. Sometimes purpose is much smaller. Learning a new skill, helping someone, building something, starting a project, reading a book, creating content, improving yourself little by little. Purpose gives your pain somewhere to go. It gives you a reason to wake up and move forward. Without purpose, setbacks become permanent. With purpose, setbacks become temporary chapters. That's the fourth brick. Now, my final thoughts. If you have had a terrible year, don't panic because your life is not perfect yet. Don't compare your recovery to someone else's success. Don't expect everything to change in 1 week. Remember this, you rebuild a life the same way you build a house, one brick at a time. Health first, finances second, relationship third, purpose fourth. You don't need to rebuild everything today. You only need to place the next brick. And if you keep placing one brick every day, one day you will look back and realize something incredible. The bad year did not destroy your life, it simply forced you to build a stronger one.